Hey, what's going on? Today we're going to be looking at what loyalty points are and how to utilize them on the 360 trading platform. So first, you look at loyalty tasks. There are a couple of tasks here that you can perform, and while you do that, you earn certain points for them, right? And these points can be exchanged or utilized to purchase different packages on the 360 trading platform. So let's go ahead and look at some of them. So you click on a discover task. And, this task says to create a post about your trading experience with 360 trading. You go ahead and once you've done that, I've done this already, so I'll just go ahead and upload my proof, right? So I go ahead and pick the file, the necessary file that shows. Please make sure you upload the correct file. Then you save this file, right? When it's uploaded, you get a notification here, and you can check your task history. When you look at your task history, you'll notice that it's pending approval. So once this gets approved, then you end that task that has been attached to that you end the points attached to that task. So let's go ahead and try out a couple of other tasks. Like I said, I've performed these before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and upload some of these files just for you to look at them. Remember, you go to discover task, you upload the proof, you select the file that shows that you have carried out that task eventually, because it's going to be vetted. They're going to look at it. And when you do that, you can now head to your dashboard. From your dashboard here, you can be able to see that some of these tasks, because they haven't been approved yet, you won't see the loyalty points yet. You wait a couple of minutes, and after they have been approved, but before that, you can look at, tasks are being uploaded periodically. So you can go ahead and check for more tasks to earn even much more rewards. You look at your task history, you scroll down, you see that they are still pending, right? By now, I guess they should be approved. So let's go ahead and check in our mail. Let's just go ahead and check our mail, because you're going to be sent an email once this task is approved, right? But let's see, there are more tasks being updated, so you can go ahead and carry out this task to earn even more rewards, like I just said earlier. I'm waiting for the task to be approved. Let me check mine. Okay. So in the mail, you notice that these tasks have been approved, right? So now all we need to do is go back to our trading platform on 360 and refresh that page. Now, once the page gets refreshed, you notice that, yes, voila, here are our loyalty points, right? So now that I've gotten these points, I can now go ahead and utilize them whatsoever use I want for them. Let's say I want to purchase a prop account. All I need to do is come to products, and from products, I'm particularly interested in the instant funded account. So we have the $250 Power 10x Mix account. Let's look at the purchase details, right? Now, this is an instant funded account, the $250 instant funded account that costs $25. Let's look at the challenge details. If you look over here, you discover that it's a $250 instant account. It costs $25, right? And the challenge details, what do we have here? Let's look at it's funded, like I said. Remember to toggle on purchase using loyalty points. This is very, very necessary to toggle this on, right? That's where you can see that it's going to cost us about 25 points to purchase this account. Let's look at the details, right? You have the 95% profit share. Then the maximum daily loss is 10%, right? And the maximum drawdown permitted is also 10%. Very easy, guys. So you click on purchase, you purchase this and you confirm your purchase. Immediately that has done, you get a notification over here that says your purchase has been completed. Scroll down to where you have prop firm, look at my challenges. Under my challenges, you can go ahead and see the account you created, right? It's an instant funded account, guys, an instant funded account. So I can just go ahead and, copy this and put it in my MT5 and, just proceed to trade the way I want to. Hope you found value from this video. I'll see you in the next one.